Hi, Patricia Cole here again. We're going to go ahead and do Chapter 4, Module 5 homework. The first question is what is an invasive species? Invasive species is a non-native species that spreads from the point of introduction and becomes abundant. Where do they come from? They can come from anywhere. They can be brought in by ships, they can be brought in by planes, they can be brought in by somebody traveling around the world on their bags. As the same way that how they got here. There's a million different ways that animals come from one way to another. It could be from a hurricane that they're brought in, or any kind of other bad storm. One that I chose was the red fire ants. We have a bad time with them sometimes, especially after the rain, even if I spread stuff down. So they're pretty bad. They're commonly known a lot in Texas, Louisiana, but they're starting to spread more and more up the California areas. They do a lot of damage. Ecologically, it's by moving soil and nesting and building activity, and by collecting the foods that they affect the level of nutrients in the soil. Economically, they are attracted to electrical fields, which I didn't know that, which can result in short circuits, getting your walls. They can cause issues with electrical, all that kind of stuff. There's many ways to deal with them. Me, for one thing, I do put down fire ant poison right on the mound. Usually within a day or so they're gone. But there's also other places that you can call, like your local agricultural commissioner, for help, and they can direct you and give you ways of either maybe preventing them or having them spread further. There's laws that limit them from moving. Texas has a two-step by A&M that they'll also help with the population. What's being done is they're trying to prevent them from spreading further. They're trying to stop the growth of them because they're causing havoc on our entire system, especially when it comes to animals and things like that. We can help spread them by detecting them when they first pop up, trying to get rid of them so they don't spread from one location to another. They were actually introduced here in the States around 1933 to 1945, and they're thinking that they possibly came in ship's ballast from South America. They cause painful stings to humans, pets, livestock. They push out other ants. They kill birds. They inject venom into skins, which causes a very painful sting. People that have allergies to them, it could kill them. They're also damaging plants, lawns, again, electrical fixtures, ground nesting animals, trees. They're a very invasive species, and they are taking over a lot of our areas. And as far as we can, we do try to get rid of them on our land. We do mow them over, and sometimes they'll come back, sometimes they won't. But for an invasive species, I went with the red fire ants, or they're commonly known as the Solenopsis. Thank you.